2 hours to go. We're about an hour into the trip. PDC bound. Nothing but cornfields of Illinois. Fairbury is literally in the middle of nowhere. But it's amazing how this little town shows up for the racetrack. Whoa! She's tight. That's the racetrack at the end of the block there. Yards are usually decorated to drive around. Max in a truck in front of us. Pull up and see where we're going here. Feels great outside. Feels like 104. It's miserable. We're here for FLO Night in America / PDC weekend. No Ogre. We do got a little Ogre. Jace with us. It's me, Max, and Darren. That's it, Sierra. We are shoehorned in here, as like the PDC always is. Everybody's trying to make room and get their stuff in. Should have a great, tough field of cars this weekend. Let's see what happens. So Max drew us a 46. That puts us the 8th car out in Group B, which is kind of where we wanted to be anyway. It's a little warm in here. Air conditioner quit today. It's been a hot one. I think the heat index was about 105. Nasty. Ended up 8th overall out of 66 cars in hot laps. We'll take that. He's strapping in now to go up to qualify. Second quick in Group B. We will take that with this field of cars. We will start the poll of heat race number 5, which heat races will be coming up here shortly.
Yep.
Thrashing's just me, Max, Jace, and Daryn.
Huh? I swear that 74 jump started that race.
Yeah.
Start working. I'm not near tight enough. Like I am way too free. Sitting in the corner trying to hold it in the brake, like front brake, and just sponging it. Like that's how dots carry so much more speed in. I just feel like
the 26. Come off of it?
Me?
Yeah, a little bit.
I did?
Hey, you want to get the lift?
I don't think it was really full. I mean,
No, he was. You were.
Well, we're rolling off 16th. We had no tires on it, 2 shocks off, hadn't been fueled yet, and it called 5 minutes. So it was a fire drill all the way around. Talk about the thrash. I think we got the whole toolbox out on top of it. Finished 26. As far as I know, this is our 5th time here to make the shows and feed 66 of the best cars in the nation. Gives us high hope to make the show tomorrow, or Friday. We'll see what happens. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. Maintenance tonight. So the camera got put up, or let me back up. It's Thursday about 3 o'clock. We did not unload today. Still pretty hot out. Air conditioner still not working. They loaded up while I was cooking. Thought my camera had walked off, but I finally found it tucked away in a compartment. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. We'll catch you all Friday.